Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the sunflower and grow a garden. So they have recently put it in the seed shop, but unfortunately you cannot use it to craft the bee pack. You'll still need the legacy sunflower one, which I don't have. I think you get it from the summer seed pack. Do I have that here? Oh, I think it's like the flower seed pack, actually. I remember which seed pack it's in, but you purchase it from the honey merchant. That's the only way you can get it. But anyways, it's a plant they recently placed in the seed shop. It costs 5,555,000 shekels. It's a divine plant, and this is what the seed looks like here. And I'm just going to plant it in my garden, and I'm going to show you guys the final results later on. And this is what the plant looks like. I really like it. It's very cute. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Oh, I just remembered that I'll need to tell you the price for value is at 50,000 shekels and the average is at 55,000 shekels. It's not worth that much, but it's just a cute plant you have. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!